coffee at the office to kickstart my day. And I'd just like to say a few things about the Bloomfield Koffee King Coffee Brewer, which is in our office. First off, it has 2 warmers, one lower and one upper, which is great because we are short in space in our office kitchen. But it's also enough to keep our coffee going for all the employees. It's super easy to use, so whenever someone uses the last cup, they can just easily brew another pot for the rest of the coworkers. It produces a great cup of steaming hot coffee, and we all give it a thumbs up and a high recommendation.